Belt off, I believe I showed you in the last clip. And I got the engine shroud off. There's 3 10mm bolts that hold it on. 1, 2, 3. Then on the bottom, you can't see it, but there's this rubber connects here to the stud here. Don't mind that bolt. That was there. That's just part of the stud. That's not something you have to take out or anything. But it connects real tight, so when you put it back in, it gets super snug. So when you take these bolts off, it may act like it's not coming off. So you just got to pull up hard. You know, kind of get your hands in that area so you're not bending the plastic when you're pulling up on it, but you just got to pull hard and get it loose. Then I've disconnected the battery, took the terminal off the alternator and the connector. That was a 12mm there. And then I took one bolt out here, and I'm taking the bottom bolt out. Bolt heads are 14mm. I suggest you remove the top one first, so the alternator will slide back a little bit, so you can have more room to break this bottom nut or bottom bolt loose, because it's in a tight space. It's tough to get to. But you can take this top one out, push this alternator back up out the way, and get to that bottom bolt, which I already have it out pretty much. The bottom bolt, the top bolt, as you've seen, is out, but the bottom bolt's loose coming out. I'm gonna pull it the rest of the way out. I just wanted to show you that you need to take this top one out first. Then when you're putting it back in, do it in reverse order. Put that bottom one in first, tighten it up, and then put the top one back in.